Hi guys! This video is meant to serve as a course introduction video just so you can get a sense of what you're going to learn and what the expectations for our course will be. I also wanted you to know I'll include a video like this in every module for the 6 weeks of learning so that you have the option to listen to that week's overview if you'd rather not read it. Otherwise, I will also include a typed transcript on Canvas, so if you prefer to read our overview, you can do that instead. Our class is designed to prepare you for other classes that you will encounter in college and help you to scaffold your writing skills for more challenging courses that you may encounter later on. Rather than write creative pieces in this course, we're going to learn how to make critical evaluations of the writing and the speaking of others. It doesn't matter what major you're pursuing, whether you're an engineer, a nurse, your professors will expect you to be able to do this kind of evaluation. So think of this as one of your most important classes, whether you're an English major or not. I recognize that some of you may be less comfortable with online learning. Perhaps this is your first time taking an online class, or you may have never used Canvas before specifically. For that reason, I will also include in this same module a short video that will help you to navigate around our course. Please watch it if you have not used Canvas before. With that said, I would invite you to first click around our course and explore on your own just to see what you can find and to get comfortable with our platform. I would start with the course intro section at the top of the modules page where you found this video. Be sure and read over our syllabus so that you understand how you will be assessed. That might be a good starting place. As always, you should know that if you encounter any issues as you move through our course, do not hesitate to reach out to me via email or post a question to our course discussion board in which you can ask any question and pose it generally or specifically. So thanks guys. I'm looking forward to working with you all soon. And like I said, go ahead and click around.